Hello, guys. Good evening. Financial planning is much more than numbers, it is actually life planning. Guys, we have been working so hard, earning money, saving money, but it, it is the time for us to evaluate and do a proper financial planning for ourselves and for our future. In this video, we will talk about three steps on how we can do a fantastic financial planning for ourselves. Okay. So step number one before you do any financial planning is to check your current financial health. Where do you stand financially? What adjustments need to be made? We just cannot jump into investment or savings directly. We first need to see our current financial health, our financial portfolio, and make some adjustments. Okay, so without wasting any more time, step number one is to check your current finances. Okay, guys, so in this step, what I am trying to refer is that you need to ensure that your financial house is in order. And how we will do that? Okay, in this step, we need to ensure that our loans are evaluated. Do we have any good loans? Do we have any current bad loans? Right now, you have a house loan, education loan, credit card loans. So, to start the financial planning, try to get rid of as much loans as possible. Credit card loans is a strict no, right? We might have some educational loans or house loans, which is okay. They give us some tax benefits as well. So that's step number one, to evaluate your finances. So we are still continuing step number one. We need to check our current emergency funds. Do we have any emergency fund with us, or do we need to ensure that we build a portfolio of emergency funds, let's say for a 6 months expenditures? Also check if you have sufficient health insurance, term insurance, medical insurance, because it will spoil all the plannings if this is not done. So all these come under step number one. We are checking our current financial health. Your credit card loans, home loans, your term insurances, your health insurances should be in order in case required, or if your finances permit, pay off the loans as much as possible. Also check how much is your current savings every month. It is very simple to check how much your current saving is. You make money, from that you can simply deduct your expenditure. It will give you your savings. All these will be part of step number one, so that you understand your current financial health. After that, we will do investment planning. We will not invest in step number two, which I will be starting now. We will not directly jump into investments. Guys, we have to first prepare ourselves for investments. Check our risk aptitude. Risk is all about our psychology. How much psychology, how much risk I can absorb. Okay, so let us start with step number two, which I call it preparation for your investment journey. So investment journey basically starts when you identify a goal. Why are you investing? Are you investing for your child's education, your retirement, vacation, maybe for any other reason? You should know how much your goal is and by what time you need that money. If you want to retire at 40, you are at let's say 60, you are at 40 right now, you have 20 years. So that gives you the time frame for investing. If you want to save some money for your vacation, which is like 3 years from now, so you have 3 years for arranging that sum. Child education, similarly, it could be any other goal. Okay, step number one. Step number two under this is to check your risk portfolio. Everybody have a different risk portfolio, right? So just be sure what is your portfolio. You should not take excessive risks, because if you take excessive risk, you will be in a very bad position. You will not be able to sleep comfortably at night. So we will take that much risk, that much is possible for us to live comfortably. And then only after that we will plan the asset allocation into different categories. So with that, I complete step number 2. Step number 3 is when you actually start to invest your money into different categories, different portfolios. So this is the phase, this is the step where you take advantage of compound interest products, the products which give you compounding benefits. So that's step number in step number 3, you have to choose which portfolio you want to invest. If you want to invest for a long term, go for mutual funds or something of that sort. If you are investing for a short term, 1 year, 2 year, you can go for bank deposits, short term bonds, fixed deposits, saving account, something of that sort. Similarly, since it involves a lot of money, and if it is possible for you, it is also important that you take some advice from a certified person, a chartered accountant, or a financial analyst, those who can really support you. So in step number 3, guys, quickly summarizing, when you start investing, check what the goal you are targeting, what are the horizons. Are you investing for 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, 10 year, 20 year? Accordingly, we have to select a product. What is the risk portfolio? Okay, how much risk I can absorb? And after that, if it is possible, select a good financial person who can give you guidance. Okay, so with this, you can actually kickstart your financial planning journey. Okay guys, so all the best, do well in your life financially, and spend time regularly to review your planning. And if you're not started, start today. The earlier you start, the better it will be. You will get more compounding benefits. Okay guys, have a great day ahead. I will see you soon in my next video. All the best, guys.